Hi there. It is well known the challenge companies face when it comes to ensuring their systems have security patches applied. Since 2017, every year more than 14,000 CVEs are released. As it's not an easy task to patch all vulnerabilities, the proper approach is to identify which ones would directly affect our system and prioritize the highest risk ones. Besides using the common vulnerability scoring system, now we also can take advantage of the very large intelligence available in VirusTotal. With just a simple search, you can track the trend of vulnerability exploitation. In VT, we can see which files are exploiting which vulnerability, and we are also able to identify the extent of the attacks that the community receives. This way, if one campaign is more aggressive than another, we can take this into account when deciding which one to patch first. To do so, we can start by searching for all files submitted to VirusTotal in the last 3 months that have been tagged by AV vendors to be able to exploit vulnerabilities from 2021 or 2022. We can take a closer look at this file, which was related to CVE 2021 44228. This file was submitted to VirusTotal 2 times. This is very relevant information since it can give us a better idea on how quickly malicious campaigns are spreading and how aggressive they are. Through this search, we are also able to see collections created by the community which are related with the CVE. This can add more context, such as maybe which specific campaigns are exploiting the vulnerability, threat actors perpetrating the attacks, and other IOCs involved in the attack. With this information in place, we now can use VT API to put all this data together in an automated way and get a tool that suits our needs properly. Using our programming skills, we can get something like this dashboard where we can track the most abused vulnerabilities in the wild during the last 3 months. We could have a summary on total abuse CVEs and submissions to VirusTotal, and also a link that automatically opens VT with the specific search used to trigger the data shown in the dashboard. Then we can have an aggregated bar chart on the top 10 most exploited vulnerabilities and also a time chart to monitor daily to detect increases and peaks of activity so that we are prepared for a possible attack of our organization that exploits the specific vulnerability. In this example, we wanted to add more information about specific CVEs, so if we click on one of them, the dashboard will expand and show us CV description based on public repositories, VirusTotal collections related to the vulnerability, specific timeline chart, and finally statistics on file type submissions to VirusTotal. Every link here is actionable, so if you click any of them, you will see results in VirusTotal web interface.